Hi, Shep Hyken here, customer service and experience expert, and this video is the first of 10 tips discussing frequently asked questions about customer service. I'm going to post them once a week, and I hope you'll comment or share your answer to these questions. Here's the first one. What is customer service? The simple answer is that customer service is how an organization or an individual delivers what they sell to the customer. That said, there's so much more that goes into delivering good customer service. More than just the way a person or organization delivers what they sell, it's really customers that define the service, which is the experience and value they receive as a result of doing business with a company. Any definition of the term customer service is almost irrelevant, as long as it's the customer's perception that really defines your customer service. So, how do you define customer service? Well, I hope you enjoyed this short lesson. Please be sure to visit my website, which is www.hyken.com. Thank you very much for watching. This is Shep Hyken reminding you to always be amazing.